Dublin, Ireland. I haven't been there since I was a little girl. It just cuts me up to see what the IMF has done to that country. They even killed the trees. Oh my God, there are still some people alive. Wow, look at this swanky place. Established in 1840. Deer heads, high ceilings, smutty frescoes, even a red carpet. They have portraits of famous drinkers, even a place for a spit roast. A games room. Guess they had to do something to keep their minds off the famine. So what the fuck does this have to do with you? Gordon Games, the hottest thing to come out of Ireland since Michael Flatley, is having a launch party, and you are invited. There'll be a trad session, music, crack, the whole shebang. It is like a wake for the Celtic Tiger and an Irish startup launch party at the same time. Isn't that so, Jimmy Joyce? If you got this video from them, you're invited. Just accept so Gordon knows you're coming. Otherwise, you will miss the party because you're too stupid. Do it now.